Street touring vehicle here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1994 Jaguar XJS V12 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 71,000 is all on this one. That's 6-liter V12 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front grille. A little bit of chrome up front. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the black paint has a nice shine to it. It's black. There may be a spot where there's a touch-up, maybe a scuff, small imperfection, but overall paint shows well. Good looking wheel. The gold highlights and the polished radial tires. Let's look up and down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. You know, like I said just a second ago, you may have an imperfection here or there, but overall paint still has a nice shine to it. Rich looking color combination too, with that saddle tan interior along with the black exterior. Of course, all the wood grain simulated dash that you're going to get, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and of course at the very end, take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you get a look at the rear of the car, and again, paint showing nicely back here, the good shine to it. This car is a southern car. The majority of its life has not been driven in inclement winter weather. Has new front shocks, coolant flush just done. Also a new transmission mount. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Be over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. If you're into Jaguars or maybe imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether that's online or right off our showroom floor. Love it if you can make it to see us in person. Check out our wide variety of cars and our huge indoor showroom. As you can see up and down the driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice there's a couple small kind of hickeys, just indentations in the top of that fender, but you gotta get just right to see them. So again, nothing major. A little something I noticed there. There you go, you can kind of see them. But you gotta be in the light just right. Be a fun car to drive. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Excellent reviews on these cars too. Go down the road nicely, very comfortable. Get a good look at the door panel. See, that's a nice shape. How about the seating surface? Looks like seating surfaces, not showing much wear there either. I guess kind of what you'd expect with a car with, what, just a little over 71,000 is all. Speaking of which, let's look at the exact miles. There we go, 71,362. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right. Dash looks good. Wood grain finish. Of course, automatic transmission. Did notice there was a parking brake light. That's what that warning light is, if you can see it. Well, his interior looks nice. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Pretty quiet as far as exhaust goes. Obviously you get a little motor noise with that V12. And we are indoors too, so that does amplify it somewhat. All right, let me pause this real quick. I want to show you the engine bay so you can see that V12 running. And again, stick around to the very end. Jason will take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, kind of a virtual ride along, if you will. All right, hood pops. Let's get a good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Jaguar V12 power 6-liter. Slip around over here to the passenger side, get an idea how it looks. '94 Jaguar XJS V12 Coupe. Clean Carfax, actual miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'd assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Jaguar XJS. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Very smooth running Jaguar, nice and quiet. Turn signal indicators both working. The tachometer and speedometer appear to be working as they should. Battery gauge showing 14 volts, the fuel gauge an eighth of a tank. Oil pressure is almost 3/4 of the way up the gauge, and the temperature gauge is about 1/4 of the way up. That's all looking good. Nice road feel to this car. Comfortable leather bucket seats. Good power steering. The windshield wipers work on this car, as do the blower motor. Blower motor blows air, and you can switch it from defrost. Multi-position power seats in this car for anybody's comfort. Power brakes are working as they should. Little traffic here at the circle. Corner is pretty flat, nice cornering. Just a little bit of leaning for that luxurious feel. Kickdown works well on that automatic transmission. Nice throttle response, getting up to speed quickly. Very comfortable car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1994 Jaguar at UniqueClassicCars.com.